Okay, so here we are once again doing the mouse. Let's click some things to make it very fine. It's called vertex modeling. This is the process. The tweaking is always on there. Yay. Good. I made this works. Yeah. Nobody's coming to the moment. I can close the gap. You know how to do it. You can move them. Close these surfaces. Just like that, here, this, and this. We have closed. Minimize that gap. It looks better now. Okay. So the mouse is missing the scroll wheel. So that is scroll wheel. What should you do? Press Ctrl S to save the file first, and this creases the scene that you're looking right now. They're fine. It's going to be visible, so we'll keep it that way since we are adding the scroll wheel. And if you notice the shape of the scroll wheel, how is it visible? Can you tell me the shape, what it resembles the most? Is it a torus or cylinder? We'll say it's a torus. But for me, I personally like the cylinder. So I will go with the cylinder because it's closed. And let's see if we can achieve the same thing with torus. I haven't tried it in. Okay. That's the case. You hit anything apart from that, your this property, right? Do some edges. Yes. If we minimize that radius, yeah, it's fine. That's why I was saying that it's better to use a C-lane door. Space R will control to move in one axis, or if you can release control and while holding the left mouse button, you can press 90. Yeah. Place it. Since our mouse is on the grid and on the completely on the middle of the grid, so everything whatever you scale will come on the middle and this is good at this. Works. This. So I wanted to have nothing major. What we'll do is just tap select these parts, Control B, level it. Might happen. I forgot one thing, Control A to apply transformator on the scale so that it goes 111 here. And to hide that, tab Alt B now. Healing will happen. Yep. We have our scroll wheel ready. So actually we want. There we go. Simple as that. And how much we took? We took 10 out of that for creating scroll. Yeah. Now let's add other parts like this guy, from where the wire comes out. That do it at another city. Or maybe do this and have a segment of 13, 18, and so look forward. It's 90 or minus 90. Yes. This is again going down. We can fix it. Sorry, 2 inch. There, minutes. Very cool. Now, you press 5 to go to factory. New and shift A to create radial curve in let's do the curve. Okay, so to do that, what we'll do, we'll hit shift A and go into curve and select the path. Please we have got the path. You can scale it right up, or you can rotate it like so 90. We have the path. We don't want our wire to be too long because I don't want. Just put it in place and hit tab to change. I think this works. Yeah. Hit tab, go into this curve properties and curve geometry, select ground, change the text. We are good. Right now it's it have gaps or holes we can fill. At any point you can change the thickness. That's the main reason we use curve. Yeah, and at any point we can to shade to right. So that's one thing. Right on board. 1, 2, 3, 2, then we only grand. That you want to convert the curve into mesh because you cannot UV it. You can also increase the resolution. This guy, you cannot shade more, but it's not mesh. You cannot UV it. So for that, you can convert to mesh, convert into anything else. But if you want, you can do that. Try it to convert it to mesh. And now, if you press tab to get all these facilities to select and curve, that's it. Here we complete our model part of the mouse. What we'll do next is we will create some basic material for this, and for that I will see you in the next one. Bye.